Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to see the process of how we went from this to this. Here, I'm knocking the edge back up with a rubber hammer. I'm trying to get the edge as straight as possible. Now that the edge is back to normal, I can use a hammer and dolly to flatten out any creases. Now I'm stripping the paint, getting it ready for the metalwork. I'll be using a guide coat to spray onto the metal, then sanding it off flat. What this will do is reveal all my low spots, then I'll be able to pick them up with the maxi. Now that the low spots are taken care of and the metalwork is done, it's ready for some body filler. The body filler that I'm using here is called Rage Ultra, made by Evercoat. Next, I'll be applying metal glaze over the body filler. This is to fill in all the imperfections and scratches left from the last coat. I'll be finishing this in 220 grit. And there it is, guys. I'll finish up with the bodywork. Here's the final product.